He's eating lettuce.
Does he like it?
And apples.
It's yummy. So you eat your food.
I'll eat NiKO there.
Hey.
We fixed all the animals up. Hey, no eating your sister. Dr. Adleys, normal.
Oh, we just blended a fish. Tap, 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 tap.
Earring, braided hair, and a dress.
Boing.
She's not gonna like this though. I told you, you killed her. You guys birds? Here, birdies, come get in your nest. Hop in your nest. We almost got your game set up. NiKO, are you a chicken?
We're chickens back in
Oh, now we have a cat.
Hi, kitty. All right, the iPads are ready. Come on, kitties. Kitties, come get on the couch. NiKO, your iPad's ready. Come on.
Oh, she's
Come
a bad kitty.
Oh no, she's a mad kitty. Whoa, watch out, vlog. She's a mad kitty. Oh, bad kitty. Kitty! Oh, I'm so sorry. All right, come here, kitty. No scratching the vlog. It's time for your app review. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Ah, oh, kitties!
Baby kitty.
Kitty! Welcome to Adleys App Reviews.
Oh, and we have a special guest, NiKO, playing.
NiKO Bear's here. All right, what game are we playing today, kiddos?
Pet Doctor.
Pet Doctor. We are all gonna be vets. Hey, vlog, you need to be like this. There you go.
Okay, NiKO, so you have to push the red dot.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna do the bird.
These are all animals that we need to help. They all have problems.
Okay, who should we help first?
You're gonna do the bird.
The birdie stuck in
Touch
gum.
the bird.
No.
You can do whoever you want.
Oh, who are we gonna pick? Ooh, we're doing the bunny first.
Ooh, we're doing the bird. See this bird?
The bunny needs lots of
Oh, don't
band-aids.
feed him.
Come here. You can throw it and he catches it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can. Watch.
You have to throw him for his
Where you get stuck?
Under.
There we go.
Under.
Yep. Where's
Here,
the
do you
little
want
one
apple?
though?
Yeah.
Good job,
It's a
NiKO.
watermelon.
That's not a watermelon, it's an apple.
Circle goes on circle. This one. We held the bunny.
Hi, bunny.
Hi.
What's the bunny gonna eat?
What's the bunny eating?
What's wrong, turtle?
Carrot.
Oh, you're upside down?
Oh no, we got an upside down turtle over here. How do you fix him? Whoa!
Whoa.
It's like turtle yoga. He's like, I'm dizzy. He did a handstand.
Yay.
Good job, turtle.
Turtles like sunflowers.
They eat sunflowers? There you go, little turtle.
Right, who we fixing next?
No.
Oh, we're gonna do the turtle.
Oh,
now.
you're doing the turtle? Okay, you gotta fix him.
Grab his legs.
Oh yeah.
Fit.
You fixed him. Good job. Now you gotta feed him some flowers.
Oh, toothpaste.
What's he eating?
What's wrong?
Flowers.
You need to brush your teeth.
Oh, he has dirt in his
Sunflowers.
teeth. Get that dirt out of your teeth. Bunnies have to have clean teeth.
It's a hamster, I think.
Yeah. Oh, NiKO's doing an egg? What's in the egg?
Here. No.
Let's see.
You said it, snake.
Oh, snake?
No. Hi.
It's coming.
Tap, 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 tap.
Snake.
Fly.
Is this snake hungry?
Oh, what's he gonna eat?
Flies?
Fly.
Adley, what happened to your cat?
Oh, he has dirt on its ear.
Oh, get that dirt off his ear.
It has an owie too.
Oh, how'd he get it, Owie?
I don't know. Let's put some drops on there.
Drops, drops. There's some medicine.
Let's
All
put
better.
a car on there. Car.
Car Band-Aid. Meep, meep.
Car. Oh, do you want
Guys,
to do
you're
the
doing so good with these animals.
What are we
Oh,
gonna
get
do
these
now?
fishies. Nom, 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 nom. Eat the fishies.
kitty?
Eat the fishies.
The mouse?
Catch it. Yes.
Auntie.
Oh no, what's wrong?
He has bubbles in his belly.
Get all the bubbles.
On the snail.
What do you think's wrong with the smell?
Pop. We did it.
Has worms in its shell.
Ew, get these worms out of here. Get out of here, wormies.
Look at that.
Oh, two more. You go up there. That's your room.
The star.
Hey, that's not his room. This is his room.
No.
No, that. Lettuce.
Oh, Dad, what? Do snails eat apples?
Snails don't eat apples, I don't think. Are you serious?
Oh, clean his ear.
I didn't know snails ate apples.
Clean, clean, clean. Oh, it's really dirty.
Ew,
Dad,
dirty.
he hops. He's hopping.
Drop, drop, drop.
Cute.
Hold it up.
He loves lettuce. Are you putting on medicine? What do you want to do?
This one.
Ooh.
NiKO's good at this one.
Oh,
Good
good job,
job. Where's
NiKO.
that one go? That one looks like a pumpkin.
A pumpkin. Oh, you fixed it.
Good job. One
Wrap
more.
it up. Wrap.
Good job, NiKO.
We did it.
He's so good at that.
How much more faster if we can?
Birds love seeds. Nom, nom, nom,
Do
nom.
birds
Catch
eat-
it.
Do birds eat apples?
Apples are too big. Birds don't eat apples.
Well, birds do eat apples.
What? Are those like baby apples? These are like berries.
Oh, better. Dad. Oh, he's gonna eat a fly.
Hey, their bird got a fly.
Oh, he already ate his fly.
Our bird got a fly?
Ooh, you
I
got
didn't
him.
see it. Get in his belly. There you go.
The dragon belly has flies in there.
Hey, get out of his belly. Get out of here. Oh, flies in your belly.
How do we get him out?
You gotta pop him up. Good job, Adley.
He's got bugs in his shell. Can you help him?
No.
What's the lizard gonna eat? Ooh.
They make silly
Lizards don't eat
noises.
carrots.
Listen to that noise.
He ate all his food.
Listen.
Good lizard.
Oh.
You're such a good lizard. Oh, get him.
Good job.
A spider? What's wrong with the spider? Oh, eye drops.
Ooh, one more.
Get over here, fly.
Oh, what's
These
he gonna
flies are
eat?
crazy. They don't listen. Good job.
He's eating lettuce
Does he like it?
and apples.
It's yummy. They eat your food.
I'll eat NiKO there.
Hey.
We fixed all the animals. Hey, no eating your sister. I want to do the worm. Can I do the worm?
Oh, we have the last patient, and it's the worm.
The worm is our last patient. Oh, he looks mad.
You're making a tighter.
So mad.
He's a mad
His
worm.
eyebrows.
We got you, buddy.
Oh, he looked like a pretzel.
Dr. Hey, the worm loves you.
He's eating the kid.
What is that? A leaf?
Uh-huh.
Worms love leaves.
Do worms have teeth?
No.
Worms have lots of teeth. Look, they're all asleep. Vet Adley has saved the day.
Good job, Adley.
Night-night. Should we do another game?
Yeah.
NiKO, what game do you want to do?
Should we play haircut?
Caca.
Okay.
Haircuts?
Ooh, hit play. Ooh, we gonna pick someone to cut their hair. Who are you gonna pick? You
Ghostbusters.
can't even see his face. Oh no.
NiKO, you have some serious work to do over
yeah. Oh, look at him cut.
there. Who are you gonna pick?
Daddy.
I can see
Me?
that.
That one's me? Adley picked me.
That looks just like you.
All right, can I get a haircut today?
Is that Daddy?
Yeah, so I got to do.
My bangs! Ah! Adley, I love my hair!
Oh, that's what Dad
no.
would look like with no
Ooh,
hair.
just leave a little mullet back there. No, my mullet!
Yeah, let's grow some more.
Yeah. Whoa! Maybe not that much.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh. Are you cutting her hair?
He's really cutting.
Look at those fingers cutting away.
Here, Dad, I can brush your hair.
Yeah, brush it down so I look cool.
Okay, do you want to grow some hair?
There we go.
Touch it.
Oh yeah,
Then
Dad
touch
is
your hair.
looking cool. I wish my hair was that long.
Ah! Mommy.
Now what do we gotta do?
Daddy.
What did you do? You're crazy. You have crazy hair.
My hair fit.
Whoa, look, brush your hair up. Ooh, that curls her hair.
Oh, that's so pretty, NiKO.
Yeah. Ooh, we could change your hair color.
Car.
What color? Green?
Adley,
Brown.
where'd all my hair go?
Spray it.
Adley just cut off all my hair again. It's in a ponytail in the back. Ah! I only have a ponytail.
You're
There's
on
a
a
daddy.
girl color,
Or
Dad.
mommy.
Hey, my hair's pink. Adley made my hair pink.
Guys, we got a dad over here.
NiKO's doing Dad. Hey, don't cut my hair. Oh, we're doing soap? Now I look like Santa Claus.
Earballs.
No, I have a ponytail of pink hair. I look like a horse. Look at my hair back there.
Whoa.
Not curly hair.
Just grew your beard.
Look at my beard. I'm a pioneer.
Or pirate. Whoa.
Is that pirate Dad?
Part.
Pirate dad.
Elf.
Wait, what is that? Is that pirate Dad?
Mom.
Adley made my ponytail curly.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hi. Oh, this is not turning out like Dad anymore. Space shirt. Yes.
No, it's
A dress? I'm wearing a space dress. Look at NiKO's hair, it's crazy. You cut that hair. Cut. Yeah. Oh no, not that much. Stop cutting. Okay, like that. I look like a Jonas brother. Okay.
Should we give him blue hair?
Ew, no, take that off my head. I don't want to poop out. No. It's on my face.
Dad?
I have a poop hat over here.
Oh!
Oh, she's pretty. Is it mommy?
Do her?
Mom.
You're doing mom? Look at NiKO's mom. She has purple hair.
That's cool.
I-
Oh no!
I have
the
mermaid
hair.
mom on my shirt.
The hair's going
Hey
gone.
mom, you're on my shirt.
Aww.
Who's
You cut my hair.
sticker should I do?
A pizza sticker.
Do I need a haircut?
Ghost.
Should we brush
Pirate
it?
pug. Yes. No.
Where are you
What are you
going?
doing?
I'm sick.
Hey, your hair's crazy.
Ah!
Where's mom? Where's mom?
You messed up our hair.
Hi.
Earrings.
Oh no, mom. I have earrings now.
Should we pick out a shirt, NiKO?
Oh,
This is not turning out like that.
Glasses, earrings, braided hair, and a dress.
Ah! How about I get to make you now? No, I get to make you. It's only fair. Okay, I'm gonna do Adley. Let me find one that looks like Adley. That one. What should I do to Adley? Oh, hi Adley. First, I'm going to just brush your hair over here. Welcome to Dad's salon.
Me.
Huh?
Should we do NiKO?
Achoo! Oh, sorry. Did I just cut off all
Hey,
your hair?
Mom's pretty
Achoo!
cool.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Let's find a NiKO.
Oh no, Adley,
that
you're
way.
looking crazy.
No.
Oh. What?
No.
You switched to the razor?
No.
All right, Adley, you'll just have no hair. No, you'll just have a little hair on top. Comb it down to
No,
the side.
I know what to do.
No, this is it.
I'm gonna
Okay, what do you think you should
Right
look
there.
like?
That looks like a NiKO.
Oh, do a NiKO bear. Are you doing a NiKO?
There's NiKO.
Adley, look, that's NiKO.
Boo.
We want to grow it. Okay, grow the hair.
That looks like Adley.
This definitely looks like Adley. Or me, NiKO. Crazy hair all
You
the
got
time.
crazy hair, NiKO. Night. Ooh, should we curl your hair?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Wait, you don't have curly hair. Just kidding. Straighten it. I want this to look like Adley.
That's cute.
Now I need to brush it down.
Mm-hmm. You are looking cute, girl.
Thank
Wash it up. Soap, soap, soap. Whoa. You look like a lion, kind of.
Let's spray a little bit of blonde in here, and then it will really look like NiKO. Does that kind of look like NiKO?
Yeah, that's NiKO bear.
A little bit of things.
Put a hat on.
Where's the hats?
They're over here, Mom. You have to go all the way over.
All the
Yeah.
way over? Okay.
Adley is gonna wear this hat.
Oh,
That looks just like a hat you would wear. Hey! Ooh, look at NiKO's hat.
I made it bigger.
That's what he looks like when he puts on Dad's hats. Candy necklace, cute.
That really doesn't look like Adley.
What?
Hey. Hey.
Oh, it's a tent.
This one you have to cook food.
Are you gonna cook food, NiKO?
Yeah.
NiKO's good at cooking food. You guys wanna have a cook-off?
I bet we can make better food.
Oh yeah, we got some spaghetti coming.
Some balls.
Some fried
nice.
fishies?
I fished it.
You fished it. Are you gonna make fish sticks?
Ooh, what are we gonna feed her?
Okay.
Should we give her
Don't
some
cool it down yet.
watermelon?
Adley just cut our fish in half.
We just put a peach in a blender.
Are you making some juice?
Mmm.
I'm gonna cut that.
We'll see if she likes it.
Ew, you cut his eyeball in half.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if she eats it.
Now let's
Blend it? Ew, blended
Kinda
fish.
doesn't like peach juice, just so you know.
What? Well, we're making blended fishies right now.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
now to mix it up.
Okay, we gotta get the fridge.
That looks disgusting. I would not drink
Ooh,
that.
What are we
Ugh.
gonna eat, Peter?
Now we're gonna cook some chicken.
Some chicken, huh?
Corn?
Ooh, in the oven.
Dinner's ready.
Another peach?
Let's see if she
Try the
likes it.
chicken.
It's hot.
She's blowing on it.
Nom, 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 nom. She likes it. She's not gonna like this though.
Oh!
I told you, you killed her. Oh, she's back. Don't give her more. She's gonna puke.
Oh!
What are you giving her, NiKO?
I think we should put some pepper on there. Oh, we're
Ooh, you're frying some corn?
frying corn.
I love fried corn. You know, there's popped corn and there's fried corn.
Oh, she's blowing on it.
Wait, what did you just blend? I missed it. Is that an Oreo shake?
No.
What is it?
She loved fried corn.
What was that?
Watermelon, cut it.
Rice milk?
Let's cut it.
Adley made horchata. Mom,
Ooh.
look. Adley's making horchata. Some rice milk.
Ooh, yum.
I love horchata.
Water.
NiKO's cutting watermelons.
Remember how to cut?
I'm putting water in there.
You're frying a peach.
I'm putting water in there.
Here,
Look.
look, here's a knife. Cut it.
Oh, I cut your peach.
Look how watery that looks.
Chop it. Choo, choo, choo.
Ooh, that's just like water.
Slice it. Slice. Like this.
She likes it. All right, cook her a masterpiece. She looks hungry.
This,
Good job.
this.
Carrot.
Oh,
She probably wants spaghetti.
onion.
Not onions. Nope. No
Another
onions.
fish.
Ah! It landed back on her plate.
Ooh, we're gonna be blending some watermelon.
Ooh, watermelon juice.
Yum.
That looks yummy.
Does she like it,
We've
NiKO?
got a 5-course meal going over here.
Oh, she loves it.
We are blending meat and onions. Do not make her drink that, Adley. And carrots and chicken. This is the grossest drink I've ever seen in my whole life.
This is like baby food.
And water.
Oh.
Okay, let's see what she does.
Orange in the oven, guys.
Ew, she spit out her drink on us.
Oh, we've baked an orange.
Does she like it?
I think it's
Baked
too
orange
hot.
slices. Oh, are you doing like
What
a
are you doing
fruit
now?
smoothie?
You just got a fish. Oh, a hot dog?
Oh, I want a hot dog. Can I get a hot dog?
Oh, we got a fish.
I love watching him navigate. It's so cute.
Oh, we just blended a fish.
We're cooking some chicken and some onions and some pears. We're making a
Putting
potluck.
water in there.
Yeah.
Adley, you're like a chef.
We're making some Thanksgiving dinner. That actually looks good. Oh no, not this again. He's gonna turn it into a drink. Onions and pears.
She liked the blended fish.
She did?
Yes, and now
Your
he's gonna
girl's
blend
weird.
some meat.
That's really watery. Salt. Now it's like salt water.
A hot dog.
Now it's like pepper water. Now it's like lemon
Good
water.
job. Fried hot dog.
This is the most disgusting drink you've ever made. Oh, ketchup.
Ketchup and Tabasco sauce.
Watch her, she is not gonna like this drink. I'm not wanting. Oh, I told ya.
Mommy, Dad.
Bad idea. Don't make her drink more. Get rid of that. Yeah. Get rid of this. Yeah.
Ooh, good
What's
job.
NiKO playing?
Carrot.
Oh, I know what he's playing. He's
Say
playing unicorn
unicorn.
catch.
Do you want to
Ooh,
color
you should
or
make
catch?
carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Adley's making carrot cake and NiKO's playing unicorn
Who
catch.
are we gonna be?
Who are you gonna be?
I.
Adley. NiKO picked you on unicorn catch. Are you being Adley?
Boing. Okay, we got a pink,
You gotta get the pink ones. Get them.
pink unicorns.
Get them. Good job.
Good job, NiKO.
Go NiKO, go NiKO, go.
My car, Mom. It's kicking.
You're still cooking carrot cake?
Okay.
That's gonna be the hottest carrot ever. No, it's gonna burn her. She's too hot.
Okay, ready?
You made it way too.
Where do you color
Did you
at?
even cook that onion?
Good job.
It was cold.
Touch it. No, not that. Color.
Like, see? Because our next cold.
Yeah.
What should we color?
Should we do cook
Ooh,
shark?
do a shark.
Oh, no, shark.
Yeah, let's find the shark. Right there.
Huh?
Oh, you want to do the ship?
Ooh, that's a pretty drawing, NiKO.
Yeah, he did a great job.
Like the thing I built the other day, Dad?
Oh, with the stars. Look, Mom, Adley drew that. That's pretty
Take
cool.
a picture. I'm going. Bye.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No.
Don't fall.
I got it.
This man from behind rolling him. Look at this power. Power. German suplex bridge.
Whoa. You guys are crazy.